Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a printer to your iPhone. So, let's watch the video till the end. Make sure your printer and iPhone are within range of your Wi-Fi network. The first easy method is to automatically add a printer on the iPhone. This process scans your printer and adds it to your network using the iOS printer app. To do this, follow the steps. You need to download the official app from the App Store provided by the printer manufacturer, such as Canon, HP, Brother, etc. For example, I have downloaded the Canon Print app from the App Store. Once you install the app, launch the Canon Print app on your iPhone. Now, select the Add or Switch menu from the bottom line. Then, tap on the Register Printer button. Wait for your printer name to appear. It will take a few seconds or a minute. Then, select your printer. Here I found my printer, Canon E4500 series. If your printer is not found, please watch the second part of this video to manually add a printer to your iPhone. Tap on the printer name to start printing documents and photos, scanning documents, creating smartphone copies, printing from the cloud, or creating photo items. You can also print your photos from the Photos app and email them directly from the Mail app. Launch the Photos app and select the photo you want to print. Now, tap the share icon at the bottom left corner. Swipe up and tap on the print option. The first option is to select your printer. Select a printer added to your network. If you have more than one printer in your network, a list will appear here. Select the printer. Move to the first screen. You can also select other printing options, such as copies and paper size. Then tap on Print at the top right corner. That's it. Now, let's check how to print email from the Mail app. Launch the Mail app and tap on the email you want to print. Now, tap the share icon at the bottom of your iPhone screen. Swipe up and tap on the print option. Select the printer name. Tap on Print at the top right corner. That's it. Another method is when your printer is not found, need to reset it first and pair it again. Follow the steps. First, launch the Canon Print app on your iPhone. Then, select the Add or Switch menu from the bottom line. Tap on the Register Printer button. At the bottom of your iPhone, tap on the If Printer Cannot Be Found option. Then, select the Auto Connection option. You can see a Prepare Printer page. If your printer has a wireless connect button on the printer, select the Yes option. Now, press and hold the wireless connect button on your Canon printer for at least 3 seconds. Then, mark the checkbox to confirm that you have pressed the button for 3 seconds. Tap the Next button. You may see a pop-up message that says to connect your smartphone directly to your printer and select the Join option. Tap the OK button. Then, tap the Join option to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network. Now, select your wireless router name from the list and enter the Wi-Fi password. Then, tap on the OK option. Wait for some time while your iPhone tries to communicate with the printer. The Select Images option is available here. Tap on it. You can see multiple options available here, such as Document Print, Photo Print, Scan, Smartphone Copy, Cloud, Create Photo Items, and more. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.